Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and another POV video, this time using the new to me, Fuji X100v. I'm getting used to this camera. It was nice to get out on a quiet street today. It is a holiday here in Canada. It is Heritage Day, so the streets were especially quiet. You'll get that vibe from the POV and definitely from the photos. Definitely some empty streets today, but that's okay. The film simulation that I did use on there was Kodachrome II. Now this one is better suited for, you know, for a bright, sunnier day, but I had it loaded in the camera and I want to kind of keep trying that one to give it a try. And the reason it's still on my camera is I don't want to delete it and I want to try it on a bright, sunny day. We should have some sun coming up later in the week, so hopefully to get out for sure this coming week to take some photos in the sun to try out this film simulation. If you did want to try it out, I have a video. I'll link the video down below. I'll also put the recipe down in the description below of that video, so you can check it out if you want to add that to your camera. Great addition to the X100v. That was a Fuji weekly recipe. I always appreciate them sharing the recipes. Hope you enjoy the POV.